The Stream app, a personal view into your UV system with easy-to-understand insights. Stream provides a holistic view of your plant's UV operations. You'll get a quick look at your most important UV metrics. This data can help in making better decisions for maintaining and operating your UV equipment. This view provides a deeper dive into the status of your UV system's banks and customizable graphs you can export for your reporting and troubleshooting needs. Stream provides clarity on all UV alarms occurring at your site, so you can determine the urgency and potential causes of the alarms. Quickly access troubleshooting guides to confidently resolve all UV alarms with ease. By opting into text and email notifications, your staff will always have visibility on sudden UV alarms at your site. The resources library is filled with troubleshooting guides, documentation, and training videos to educate new operators on UV or provide refreshers for existing staff. To find out more about how the Stream app can support you and your UV operations, visit trojantechnologies.com/stream.